For the past 6 years, this channel has completely changed my life. What started as me just uploading Unreal Engine tutorials to my bedroom slowly became an amazing community of nearly 100,000 developers and creators, all chasing the same dream. And we're so close to crossing that 100,000 milestone. But recently, I've been thinking a lot about the future, both the future of this channel and the future of my wider career. Over the last few months, the channel has been very quiet, and the reason for that is quite simple. I've been building something big behind the scenes and thinking a lot about the future direction of the channel. And today, I want to talk about where I've been and what happens next. So 6 years ago, I uploaded my first Unreal Engine tutorial, and at the time I had no idea where it would lead. I just loved creating things in Unreal Engine and wanted to help people do the same. Because I know what it feels like to have a dream that feels impossible, to look at games, movies, worlds and projects people create and just think, I wish I could do that. And one of the biggest things I've always wanted this channel to prove is that you can do that. It doesn't matter where you come from, your background, your financial situation, nothing. I've always believed education and dreams shouldn't be gatekept. And that idea is the reason that this channel exists. And over the years, this community has grown far beyond anything I could have ever imagined. Thousands of messages, people getting jobs, people releasing their own games, people starting on their journey because of these videos. And all of that honestly means the world to me. It couldn't make me happier and prouder of the community that we've built. But recently though, I started to think and ask myself a difficult question. What do I want the next 6 years to look like? I don't want this channel to become stale. I don't want to just upload the same tutorial over and over again forever, because Unreal Engine is creative, game development is creative, and I want the content around it to feel creative too. And I want to be here for the long haul. I still love tutorials, and they're still going to be an absolutely huge part of this channel. I mean, they're the foundation that this channel is built on. But I want to push things further as well. High quality videos, better editing, more cinematic projects, more ambitious ideas, more behind the scenes, more real game development. I don't want this to feel like just another tutorial channel. I want it to feel like a place where people come to learn, create, get inspired, and actually chase the games they dream about making. And I realised that if I want to truly talk about building games, I should be building one too. And that is a huge part of what I've been working on behind the scenes. For a while now, I've been quietly working on a project called The Department. I've spoken about it here and there, so you may recognise it. But a few months ago, I had the opportunity to go full-time into development of this, and I had to grab that opportunity. I don't want to reveal too much just yet because we're still in early playtesting, but we are making huge moves behind the scenes. And this project represents something much bigger to me than just making a game. It represents taking everything I've learned over the last 6 years and finally building something of my own. Something that I can show all of you to prove what is possible. So if you want to support the project, please use the link in the description down below to wishlist the department on Steam, because it genuinely helps out a lot more than you know, for so many different reasons. And a big thank you to everyone who already has. Now, one thing I want to make very clear is that tutorials are not going away. This channel was built on tutorials and I still love making them. Helping people learn Unreal Engine is the reason that this channel exists. However, moving forward, the channel is evolving. I want this channel to become more than just tutorials. I want it to become a place that inspires people to create. And with that, consistency is officially coming back. Uploads are now going to be every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 6 PM UK time. I'm putting everything into this because I genuinely believe the next few years are going to be incredible. But at the end of the day, this channel has never really just been about Unreal Engine. It's always been about something bigger. Creating, building, improving, chasing ambitious ideas, and trying to turn dreams into a reality. And if there's one thing I want people to take away from this channel moving forward, it's this. Start building the thing you dream about. Even if it feels impossible, even if you're scared, and especially even if you don't feel ready. Because the truth is, you'll never feel truly ready. Most people never start, and I don't want to look back years from now wishing that I had aimed higher. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I want to bring all of you along for the journey. So, that's where I've been, and I honestly think this is the most excited I've ever been for the future of this channel. There's so much coming, new tutorials, new projects, behind the scenes videos, game development content, and things I've wanted to create for years. So whether you've been here since the beginning or you've just found the channel recently, I want to say a huge thank you. And if you want to support the future of all of this, please wishlist the department, subscribe if you're new, and get ready, because this is only the beginning.